Are you ready to go to Disney? Are you super excited? I am too. And you're chilly. Daddy forgot my other blanket. Let me go get it. Aubrey, you ready for your first flight to California?
Yes, I am.
See the airplane back there?
Yeah.
Where the plane at? Oh, there's the airplane. Look, the airplane. Your head's bigger than the airplane. What are you gonna do when you get to California?
I go to karate.
You gonna karate chop people?
No,
No.
the building.
The building? Oh my goodness, you're gonna karate chop a building. And who are you looking for?
YouTubers.
We're looking for YouTubers. We're on the lookout, guys. So we've landed. Did you have fun on the airplane, Aubrey?
Yeah.
What did you like the most?
The cloud.
The clouds. The clouds are cool.
That is good, yes.
Yes. Now we're up to the hotel and we're gonna go to the pool.
At Beverly Hills, yeah?
Yes. Beverly Hills. So how you gonna walk if you're a mermaid?
Jump.
You gonna jump?
Or I can do this.
That's what you can do. Mermaids swim though. They don't walk. So you gotta swim. Thank you. She's got her own limo service today, darling. Here you go, princess. Thanks. You ready? Say thank you, Aubrey.
Thank you.
Favorite flavor you like?
What's your favorite flavor popsicle, Aubrey?
Chocolate, blueberry, strawberry,
Strawberry.
pineapple. No,
So
just
nervous.
strawberry. We'll put some fresh strawberries in there.
Cream cheese, ham, and a cranberry compote. Towards the end, our Chef Louis lobster roll, lobster salad with the cornet oli. The magic carpet parfait, it is chia pudding. There's kiwi, mango, strawberries, and of course you can mix in that adventures. And at the end is one of my personal favorites because Kiana bakes them every morning fresh, some beignets.
Yes.
Enjoy.
Thank you. This is so pretty, Aubrey. Are you excited? Are you having fun? And you're eating. That's all you care about. You have autograph book. Princess Jasmine already signed it. It's popping in your mouth.
This tastes like strawberry.
Tastes like strawberry. Oh, that's why it's a firecracker. It's a firecracker in your mouth.
Are you ready to go down some mighty waterfalls and do some rushing rapids? You're gonna put your strongest hand at the top of your oar. You're gonna put the other one at the bottom. Gentle streams of air. We have some expert canoeists here.
Yay!
Who's here?
Yes.
He loves the churros here too. Have you tried the churros before?
Chicago.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have.
If Miko doesn't get to them
my
first,
girlfriend from college
you
lives
should
in
try
Beverly
them.
Hills.
She
And
says
I
they are
visited
very
with
good.
her, and
Cool.
then
So perhaps what we can do is this. We can bring some food from my village.
Okay.
And then maybe you can show me how you added the colors of the wind to your hair and on some beads too.
Yes.
Yes, we would be honored to have you.
Pardon?
Would you like to take a portrait?
Approaching our one and only stop here. For your safety, do remain seated until we come to a full and complete stop and I shut off the engine. Those of you upstairs, watch your step, use the handrail, and assist the little ones as you descend the stairs. Thank you so much, everyone. On behalf of the Disneyland Transportation Company, we invite you to enjoy your day here at Walt Disney's original Magic Kingdom, Disneyland.
Aubrey, are you ready for the teacups? Yep. Where are the teacups? Aubrey,
What?
I think that's what you thought was the teacups on the map. Jumbo. You want to get on Jumbo's flying thing?
Captain, help!
Hook is here.
Well, it seems our party is about to
Yeah.
We're gonna spin it.
have a
We gonna spin it?
most wonderful time.
Are you gonna spin it fast?
Yeah.
Okay. Time! Woo! Keep turning. Keep turning. We're spinning. We're spinning. Woo! Woo! Ferris wheel. About to get on the Ferris wheel. First Ferris wheel ride ever.
You're safe. Just stay seated. Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the car.
There you go, baby.
Have a zippity doo-dah ride.
You did good. You did good. You did good. You did good. Are you ready, kids?
Yes!
This is the last ride of the day. It's been a long day. The sun is setting across the river bend. Just across the river bend. You know that's Pocahontas song? You know Pocahontas song? Just across the river bend. No. Okay, I'm ready to take off. I put my phone down. Hey. Okay, girl. So you officially tired? No, a little bit? Oh, you just said you were tired. Girl, you were just yawning a second ago. Aubrey, what was your favoriteest part of the day?
Probably Splash Mountain.
Splash Mountain? Because you conquered your fears? Yes, girl, I'm proud of you. And which was your favorite princess scene today? Out of all of them, who was your favorite?
My favorite was Mulan.
Mulan? That was your favorite today? Wow. We didn't even get a picture with Mulan, though. I got to meet Belle from Beauty and the Beast. She met Pocahontas. She met Queen Elsa and Anna. She met Princess Jasmine. She met even Princess Tiana. But now her favorite is Mulan. Girl, since when?
It's glowing now.
A girl can never win.